Hello and welcome, guys. And in this lecture, we are going to learn the precision and padding for floating point numbers. Floating point numbers, like Python has printf-like facility to put together a string. The person or the modulo operator takes a printf type format string to lift the percentage %d interior, percentage %s string, and percentage %f or g floating points and the matching values and tuple on the right. A tuple is made of values separated by commas, typically grouped inside the parentheses. So let's try the example here. The We can say like that the floating point numbers 3.2f, and here we go 12.5. Like this, and then we are going to run, then it replaces is with this 12.50. So we can say like that if the floating point number is 1.0, and here we have just 12.23. So then see, it's just 12, and similar way, like we can say here the 5. So we see it 5, like then what the result. So it's showing these values. So for more information, you can see others as well, and you can see the multiple formatting here, the and single string. So here we go, just needs to make it heading, and so just here I'm just going to first, and here the string, and second here the D, and third R, and fourth F, and sixth G. So here we can say like that present. You can say first is the string testing, and the second one is the G teacher, third one is our pro, and fourth is F12.5, 13.6 is G. So here we go, and if we run it, the first testing, second this, third repro, fourth is this, sixth is this. So here this is the multiple formatting, and also there is a format method which is used with the parentheses and how it works. So here I would like to the dot format method, and here we go. So just I would like to show you here the 1, and here is the 0, and dot format, here we go, and the form house, and here the form, and if we see run it, the form house, it worked like this way. And objects can be used and reused, and alignment, padding, position as well. We can just something like that. I would like to the alignment and padding, precision with format. So print, here we like to, if we see here in the string format, so 0 to height, and here we go. This is 1 to 9, like this way, and dot format, here we go, and we need to say like that the vegetable, and here we go the quantity, and now we need to put it here like this. Carrot quantity 3, here the brinjal quantity 4, and if we see run it here like this way, you can format it as well, and also the multiple columns and the things you can do it as well. So this is all about the formatting, precision, padding, and floating point numbers. So thank you. I'll be back our next lecture.